Alright folks, I just got this in the mail. I kind of cheated because I started to open it. But first I want to show this off. This is just a regular Pelican case right here. And I kind of set it up for to prepare for what has just come in through the mail. And what it is... Peppa? What are you doing inside my package? No, I'm just kidding. But this is a DJI Spark, which is a pretty awesome drone. I'm going to be using it for future desert dog videos. So let's see what we got inside it. Comes with a nice case. Just kind of weird. It feels like a very hard foam material. There you go. That's the Spark in all its glory. Feels pretty solid. Nice. This is a refurbished unit, so I was able to get it for at a very low cost from the DJI website. And then let's see what else we got here. Some random crap. I think it's just charger stuff, pretty much. Yes. So look forward to future videos with some amazing videography.